All right, guys, I'm at 19 East. I came in here on Friday, just tired, sore, knee pain, foot pain. Now, heading back out. It's Tuesday, so I took Saturday, Sunday, and Monday as zeros. Got new pair of Innovates with the orange super feet that I showed you when I opened them up. It is 13:51. Not sure how many miles I'm going to do today. I had it pegged for 20 miles where there's a campsite. I may do some night hiking tonight. Right now it's a beautiful day. There's supposed to be storms coming in, so I'm not sure if I'll get rain this evening. But I'm supposed to get it tomorrow, definitely. Now I'm just going to play it by ear, see how my knees are doing and feet are doing, and we'll carry on. Okay, we're at the top of a pretty bald here. Must be a mile or so in from the trail ahead at 19 East. Just shoot you over there. I think those, by the looks of them, are those very high-end houses over at Banner Elk, would be my guess. So that is a very nice community over there. Look at that tree right there. What a majestic, beautiful specimen. See if I can zoom it in here. You'll see the blaze right straight ahead. I just came down there. That's a south-facing blaze. But sort of a weird area. I feel like I've gone from forest to, a neighborhood's backyard or a neighborhood's woods. I was walking along and boom. To the best of my knowledge, this is the first indicator of a mileage point thus far on the trail. I passed by 100, 200, 300 and never saw any mark or indicator of that mileage milestone. And this one, of course, you're always staring at your feet, so maybe it was just because this one is at my feet. But so here it is, 400 miles. That looks to me like part of an old still. And maybe Johnny Law came in and shot it up back in the day. You know that these trails could tell a tale if they could speak. And they do tell a tale if you're listening. So this is the Blue Blaze to the Mountaineer shelter and campsite. This puts me at 8.8 miles for the day. There's some more tenting about 4 miles ahead. So I think I'll continue on to that. It should be about 2 hours. It's currently 6. That would put me not technically at sunset, but just before darkness. This is a quiet, pretty part of the trail. As the light is waning, it is 7:15. This is awesome, what I just walked up on. I don't know who did this, but you can imagine why they did it. Oh, it does feel good to sit down. Great sign. And somebody put an American flag down there too, you see it? Stayed stealth camped here at the upper Laurel Fork last night. There were 4 of us here. There's a campsite through those trees. Another one there. And I actually, you can see the dry spot there. Snuck over to that little spot.